Welcome to online classes. In last class, we derived the shortest distance between two skew lines, right? So what are the two skew lines? The lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting each other. We already derived the formula. Now let us do some problems. First question. Find the shortest distance between the lines. First question. R vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap plus lambda into I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and R vector equal to 2I cap minus j cap minus k cap plus mu into 2I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So we have to find the shortest distance between these two lines. So the given lines are skew lines. So you have to compare these two equations with the standard equation. What are the standard equation? R vector equal to a1 vector plus lambda times vector b1, as well as the second equation is vector a2 plus mu times vector b2. So if these two lines are the given skew lines, then the shortest distance d, what is the formula? It is magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector dot vector a2 minus vector a1 divided by magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector. So now compare the given line with the standard equation. See here, compare the first line with this equation. So in the place of a1 vector we have I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and in the place of vector b1 we have I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So therefore write the given data. So given a1 vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus k cap, and what is vector b1? I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Now compare the second equation with this equation. Then in the place of vector a2, what is vector a2? It is 2 I cap minus j cap minus k cap, and what is vector b2? This one, that is 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. Now next what we have to find? What is a2 vector minus a1 vector? Then you have to find b1 vector cross b2 vector. Now I will find what is vector a2 minus vector a1. What is vector a2 minus vector a1? See, this one is vector a2 and this is vector a1. So 2 I cap minus I cap, that is I cap minus j cap minus 2j cap, that is minus 3j cap, minus k cap minus k cap, that is minus 2k cap. So this is a2 vector minus a1 vector. Next what you have to find? b1 vector cross b2 vector. So next we will find what is b1 vector cross b2 vector. What is the formula? It is determinant I cap, j cap, k cap. In the first row you have to write the coefficient of vector b1, that is, what are the coefficients? 1, minus 1, 1, and in the third row you have to write the coefficient of vector b2, that is 2, 1, 2. Now we will find the determinant value, expand this, so we will get, it is I cap into, you have to delete first row and first column, so minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 1, 1, next minus j cap into, you have to delete first row, second column, 1 into 2, 2, minus 2, plus k cap into, you have to delete first row, third column, then it is 1 minus 1 into, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, that is plus 2. So here we will get, it is minus 3I cap plus 0 j cap plus 3 k cap. So this is b1 vector cross b2 vector. Next, what we have to find? It's a magnitude. Therefore, what is magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector? It is root of minus 3 square plus 0 square plus 3 square, that is root of 9 plus 9, that is root 18 is magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector. Next, what we have to find? b1 vector cross b2 vector dot vector a2 minus vector a1. So now we have to find the dot product of, therefore b1 vector cross b2 vector dot a2 vector minus a1 vector. So what is b1 vector cross b2 vector? This one, that is minus 3I cap plus 0 j cap plus 3k cap dot, what is vector a2 minus vector a1? It is I cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap. So what is the dot product? Minus 3 into 1 plus 0 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 2. How much? It is minus 3 plus 0 minus 6, that is minus 9. So once you got all the values, you can substitute in the formula. Therefore, D equal to magnitude of, what is vector b1? I will take this as equation 1. Now equation 1 becomes, what is D? In the place of vector b1 cross b2 dot vector a2 minus vector a1, you can write minus 9 divided by, what is magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector? It is root 18. So it is minus 9 by root 18. Since it is magnitude, it is 9 by root 18. You can simplify this or just keep as such. So the shortest distance between the given two lines or two skew lines is 9 by root 18 units. Next question. Now second question. R vector equal to 1 minus t I cap plus t minus 2 j cap plus 3 minus 2t k cap, and second equation r vector equal to s plus 1 I cap plus 2s minus 1 j cap minus 2s plus 1 k cap. So you have to find the shortest distance between these two lines. See, is the given equation are in the standard form. Standard form is r vector equal to a1 vector plus lambda times vector b1, and r vector equal to a2 vector plus mu times vector b2. Here lambda and mu are just a constant, so lambda and mu may be you can take the other symbols also. So here we have the constant t and s. So in the place of lambda we have t, in the place of lambda mu we have s. Now we have to convert these two equations in the standard form. So first consider the first equation r vector. Now we will simplify this, that is 1 into I cap minus t into I cap plus next t into j cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap minus 2t k cap, that is r vector equal to, now the terms which are independent of t combine together. Which are the term independent of t here? This one and this one. So first write these terms together. So it is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus, from the remaining elements take t common. So if I take t outside, what is the remaining term here? Minus I cap. Next tj cap, if I take t outside, you will remaining with the plus j cap, and last term is minus 2tk cap. If I take t common, the remaining term will be minus 2k cap. Now see this, it is of the form a1 vector plus lambda times b1 vector, right? In the place of lambda we have another constant t. Now similarly you have to simplify this, that is r vector equal to, just multiply the terms. We have si cap plus I cap plus 2s j cap minus j cap minus 2s k cap minus k cap. Here also first you have to group the term independent of s together, that is I cap minus j cap minus k cap. So first write those terms together, that is r vector equal to I cap minus j cap minus k cap. Now take s common from the remaining term, that is from these three terms you have to take s outside, then here the remaining term will be I cap, here plus 2j cap and minus 2k cap. Now these two equations are in the standard form, so that now you can apply the formula. Therefore, what are the given data? What is vector a1? This one, that is I cap minus 2j cap plus 3k cap. And what is vector b1? This is minus I cap plus j cap minus 2k cap. Now compare the second equation, that is what is vector a2? It is I cap minus j cap minus k cap, and vector b2 will be I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. So once you get a1 vector, a2 vector, b1 vector and b2 vector, then the procedures are same as the first one. So first what we have to find? we have to find what is vector a2 minus vector a1. So it is vector a2 minus vector a1, I cap minus I cap, that is 0 I cap, minus j cap, minus of minus 2 j cap, that is minus 1 plus 2, that is plus j cap, minus k cap, minus 3 k cap, that is minus 4 k cap. So this is vector a2 minus vector a1. Next, what we have to find? We have to find what is b1 vector cross b2 vector. So what is b1 vector cross? It is a determinant. First row I cap, j cap, k cap, and in the second row it is minus 1, 1, minus 2, and 1, 2, minus 2. Now expand this and find the value of b1 vector cross b2 vector. So expand the determinant. It is I cap 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 4. Minus of minus becomes plus 4, minus j cap into minus 1 into minus 2, 2, minus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, it becomes plus 2, plus k cap into 1 into minus 1, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 1 into 1, minus 1. So how much? 4 minus 2, that is 2 I cap, minus 4 j cap, minus 3 k cap. So b1 vector cross and minus 3 k cap. Next, what we have to find? Next we have to find magnitude of this. Therefore, magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector. So what is its magnitude? It is root of 2 square plus minus 4 square plus minus 3 square. How much? 2 square 4, 4 square 16, plus minus 3 square 9. So 4 plus 16, 20, 29. So root 29 will be magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector. Next, you have to find the dot product. Therefore, b1 vector cross b2 vector dot vector a2 minus vector a1. So what is cross product? It is 2 I cap minus 4 j cap minus 3 k cap dot, what is vector a2 minus vector a1? It is 0 I cap plus j cap minus 4 k cap. Now find the value, that is 2 into 0 minus 4 into 1 minus 3 into minus 4. How much? It is minus 4 and this is plus 8. So the dot product will be 8. Now therefore, what is the formula D? D is equal to magnitude of, what is the formula? b1 vector cross b2 vector dot vector a2 minus vector a1 divided by magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector. Now substitute the values. What is numerator? It is 8 divided by, what about magnitude of b1 vector cross b2 vector? It is root 29. So answer is 8 by root 29 units. So this is the shortest distance between the given two skew lines. So just remember, if it is in the vector form, then the equation of the line must be in the standard form. If not, then you have to convert it to the standard form. Right, some homework problems. R vector equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap plus lambda into I cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap, and R vector equal to 4i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap plus mu into 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. And second one, R vector equal to 1 plus 2 lambda I cap plus 1 minus lambda j cap plus lambda k cap, and R vector equal to 2 plus 3 mu I cap plus 1 minus 5 mu j cap plus minus 1 plus 2 mu k cap. So to find the shortest distance between the given set of lines. See this is similar to the first problem, and this problem is similar to the second one. That is, you have to convert the given lines to standard form, then you have to find the shortest distance. Next question. Same, you have to find the shortest distance. Equation is x plus 1 by 7 equal to y plus 1 by minus 6 equal to z plus 1 by minus 1, and second line x minus 3 by 1 equal to y minus 5 by minus 2 equal to z minus 7 by 1. See here, the given equation of the line is in which form? Cartesian form. So you have to use the second formula. What is the second formula? D equal to magnitude of that determinant by formula you have to use. First you have to convert the equation into standard form. So you can write this one as, what is the standard form? X minus x1 by a1 equal to y minus y1 by b1. So convert this to that form. That is x minus, you can write minus 1 by 7 equal to, here also y minus of minus 1 by minus 6 equal to z minus of minus 1 by minus 1. So this is in the standard form, that is x minus x1 by a1 equal to y minus y1 by b1 equal to z minus z1 by c1. Second equation as such, x minus 3 by 1, y minus y2 and z minus z2. So the second equation as it is. Now From the given two lines, what are the data you can find? You can find the values. Therefore, what is x1, y1, z1, a1, b1, c1, as well as you can find the value what are x2, y2, z2, as well as a2, b2 and c2. So x minus x1, so in the place of x1 we have minus 1, y minus y1, y1 minus 1, as well as z1 is also minus 1. Similarly, these are the values a1, b1, c1. So a1 is 7, b1 is minus 6 and c1 minus 1. Similarly, compare the second equation with the second equation, standard equation, that is x minus x2 by a2 equal to y minus y2 by b2 equal to z minus z2 by c2. Then we will get what is x2 3, y2 5, z2 7 and a2 b2 c2, a2 1, b2 minus 2 and c2 1. So these are the given data. Now you can find the shortest distance between them, but before that you have to find the values, right? What is the formula we have? First write the formula once. Therefore, D equal to, what is the formula? It is determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 divided by square root of, what is the formula? It is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 whole square plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1 whole square plus a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square and magnitude of this. So first we will find what is this determinant value and also what is this value. Then after simplifying we will get the required answer. So I will take this as equation 1. So first we will find what is determinant x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. So we have x2 as 3 minus of minus, that is 3 plus 1 4, y2 is 5, y1 is minus 1, so y2 minus y1 will be 5 minus of minus, that is 5 plus 1 6. What about z2 minus z1? 7 minus of minus 1, that is 8. What about a1? 7 minus 6 minus 1. And what about a2 b2 c2? 1 minus 2 1. So now we will expand this. It is 4 into minus 6 minus 2 minus 1, again minus, so 4 into minus 6 minus 2 minus 6 into 7 into 1 7 minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, it becomes plus 1 plus 8 into 7 into minus 2 minus 14 minus of minus 6, that is plus 6. Now we will calculate this, that is minus 8 into 4 minus 32 . minus 48 and minus 64. How much? 64 plus 48 plus 32 how much you got? So we'll get it as minus 144. So we'll get it as minus 144. What this value? It is the determinant value. Now we have to find what is this. That is root of B1C2 minus B2C1 whole square plus C1A2 minus C2A1 whole square plus A1B2 minus A2B1 whole square. Now go on substituting the values. What is A1? A1 is 7. Sorry, first we have to, what is B1? Minus 6. So B1 into C2, so minus 6 into 1, it is minus 6 minus B2 into C1. B2 is minus 2, C1 is minus 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 whole square plus C1 A2, C1 minus 1, A2 1. So it is minus 1 minus C2 A1 minus C2A1, that is 1 into 7, 7 whole square plus what is A1? A1 is 7 into B2 minus 2, so it is minus 14 minus A2 B1, A2 is 1, B1 is minus 6, so plus 6 whole square. So how much? Minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. It is minus 8 square plus minus 8 square plus 8 square, that is 64 plus root of 192 we will get. So we got both the square root of root 192. Now substitute in the equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes, what is D? In the numerator we have minus 144 divided by, what about the denominator? Root 192 and its magnitude. If it is possible to simplify, then you can simplify, otherwise written as such. So the shortest distance will be 144 by root 192. So this is the shortest distance between the given two skew lines. Thank you.